kinabahan po ako and nanibago po ako. Pero masaya po kasi somehow may touch pa po sila ng Gen Z. Si Ate Ren, kaya Kiko. Kaya, ayun. Madali po akong naging comfortable po with them kasi they were very kind, they were warm. Nung una ko pong kita sa kanila, parang kilala na po nila ako like 1,000 years ago na. So, parang nagulat po ako. Pero, ayun, ang saya po kasi ganun po ka-welcoming yung mga cast ko po. And I think I'll take this as a chance to say thank you to them na rin po for accepting me in their family.
Oh, that's so sweet from Althea.
The whole time po was a memorable experience kasi this genre of a show, action, is my dream and my favorite genre. Because I love action. And natuwa po ako kasi, this time, compared to my previous action, this time lumalaban po talaga ako. Kasi last time, I'm a kid. So, iyak po ng iyak. Wala po akong tinulong. Naging pabigat lang po ako. Opo. Pero dito, medyo lumalaban na rin po ako. Pero, I can't fight them kasi I'm a kid. I'm too weak for them. Pero at least meron akong ambag sa action po nila.
She's a fighter. My daughter is a
Yeah.
fighter, guys.
Like father, like daughter.